I love you, Sonny. Here, come. Let's get your water, okay? Oh, you don't need water. You guys, so I was going for my regular morning walk with my son. Look at him. And my husband just told me that the long-awaited grocery store, we've been waiting for this grocery store for like 10 months now. We've been counting down because there's just one grocery store here, Metro, and as you guys know, those in Canada would know that Metro has been going through some issues, so we've been basically having to get into the car and drive whenever we want to get groceries and stuff. So we've been counting down for this new grocery store to open, and it's a lot bigger and a lot better. And I was just told that today is their opening day. So I was actually walking back home when he called, and I'm like, about town, we can't miss this. So we're walking now there, and I'm so excited, right? The weather is getting chilly, so it's definitely fall. We're in fall now, it's the autumn season. But there's still a bit of sun here and there, which is quite funny because during summer we seldom saw sun, but then now that it's autumn there's sun. But anyway, I'll take it. So yeah, we outside and we're headed out, so I'll show you guys what it looks like. Ciao. So I'm here now. I'm gonna show you what is a queue for a grocery shop. Like, that's my problem now, guys. To now do grocery shopping, you now have to queue for no reason. You guys, like, there's a ton of police cameras and often Pray. Let's pray. Let's see. Okay, you guys. This is cool. anyone seen Niagara grapes? They're sweet. It's sweet. It's brand new. Wow. Bananas. Look, there's some bananas. Sorry. You guys, I came to shop just yogurts and I've ended up buying the entire store. This is just plain green. Oh, I used to love this black cherry though. And it's $2. Why not?
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways. And listening to that jackass brain.
You're awake! If not for anything, this still has pure haven, you guys. What are you telling me? International store. Let's see what they got here. I think they will sell me to making this like store for like, oh, there's chocolate holics. I didn't realize. this was the best.